Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it you have to click on here. Then you have to select instance from here, then you have to click on this box, then you have to type 3.5, then you have to click on this box, then you have to type 2, then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on 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 here and draw a curve. Then press and hold alt key and click on the anchor point, then click on here and here. Then select the move tool from here, then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point and click on here and here. Then select the move tool again. Then you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point again, then click on here and here. Then select the move tool from here, then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on 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 here. Then select the move tool from here, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then click on the tick mark, then drag this in here. Then select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point again, then click on here and here. Then select the move tool from here, then select this, then you have to rotate this. After that you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the green color, then click on the OK, then select this, then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK, then select this, then double click on here, then select the blue color again, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on 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 here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here, here and here. Then select the move tool from here, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK, then drag this under these layers. Then you have to select this layers, then press and hold alt key, then take away from this layer, then rotate this layer, click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then select the green color, then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer. Then select this layer, then drag this layer under these layers. Then you have to select this layer, then drag this layer in here. So now we have to select this layer from here, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then select liner gradient from here, then click on here, then we have to scroll down from here, then you have to click on the greens. Then you have to select this color from here, then you have to select this, then click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then click on here, then click on the color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer from here, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style again. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then right click on this layer again, then click on the blending option. Then go to the gradient overlay, then click on the reverse. Then you have to rotate the color from here. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then select these, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select these, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK, then drag this in here. Okay. Then you have to select this layer, then you have to double click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. After that, you have to include the icons and write the text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. Then you have to change the color of this text. Then you have to select these layers. Then you have to lock these layers. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After that, you have to select this text from here, then press and hold Alt key, then take it from this layer. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. Then double click on here, then click on here. Then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from a PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then you have to select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the project, then unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then set this business card in here. Then you have to press Ctrl+H button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.